Okay, what's up, my YouTube family? Welcome back to another video with your girl, Miss Trina, Living Life Eats, and that's exactly what I'm about to do right now. Okay, so today, guys, I am having some leftover king crab that I froze in my freezer, because a sister girl usually I just throw my stuff away after I'm done. But you know what? This stuff be costing so much money, I'm just starting to freeze every dang on thing, okay? Got my Corona, and I got me some Elotes. Got some corn. So without further ado, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure y'all hit that notification bell so y'all can get all my new videos. Let's eat. I'm starving. I am starving, y'all. This corn is so sweet and so crunchy. I'm so hungry, y'all. So guys, I've been working on some merch for my channel, and I got a couple shirts being made right now. It's gonna have my logo. Sorry, y'all. This corn is so sweet. Oh my goodness. This corn is so freaking crunchy and so freaking sweet. This is like the best. This is like the best corn. Not that bad corn, not that canned corn, but that real corn. That's good. That's real good, y'all. Real good. Okay, so let me get it together. Let me get it together. Okay, so I got a couple shirts being made that's gonna have my logo, Trina Living Life Eats, and vlogs on it. Hopefully my new vlog tripod should come in tomorrow. I ordered it. It should come in tomorrow. And my shirts should be ready. He said give them a couple days. So probably Friday. I'm going to give them to Friday or like Saturday. So I'm so excited. I'm so excited to get my shirts. I'm so excited to get my shirts. I think I heard my door. But yeah, I'm gonna just finish up the rest of this my crab, and I'm doing laundry right now too, y'all. So I'm trying to do my video. I'm trying to get my laundry done and all of that. So yeah, y'all, I'm super excited about how my channel is coming along, my watch time, my subscriber count. And it'd be so hard to get subscribers too, y'all, but I'm getting them slowly but surely. I appreciate all of the love that I be getting on my channel. It's like the corn tastes better than the crab. And I got some of my I ain't really got too much to talk about. We're gonna have some nice weather this week. I mean, it ain't gonna be too nice. It's gonna be like 40 degrees or whatever. So what I'm trying to do, let me move this. What I'm trying to do is I want to make another video outdoors. and I want to cook something. I'm not really sure what. Probably like a stew. I want to do like a stew in a Dutch oven. But I gotta get a Dutch oven because I don't own one. Oh, they ain't got nothing in it. They ain't got nothing in it. What am I doing? Get it together, girl. Get it together. Yeah, y'all. I've just been chilling for the new year. This is gonna be hard to do. And these spikes. Oh. Ah. The spikes is the worst on king crab. Spikes are the worst. Do y'all ever get tired of eating seafood? Whoever eats seafood and do boils, seafood boils? Because to be honest, I don't know, I might stop doing seafood boils. Because if y'all see them prices, it's so expensive. It's like everything. Everything is going up and up and up and up and up. Everything. I didn't even touch my lemon. I didn't even touch the lemon. Look nice. Look nice. Yeah, y'all, so I'm just doing laundry today. Taking it easy. I got a taste for some barbecue ribs. I got a slab of ribs. But I don't have my grill here. I took my grill somewhere else. But that's what I legit have a taste for, some ribs. Woo! I'm getting full, y'all. I am getting full. I am getting full. It's this corn, really. Because the crab, I'm really not really touching. I don't know if I just don't have a taste for a lot of butter. I mean, there's not a lot of butter. If y'all can see that, it's like that lemon garlic butter. And I'm just like literally dipping it in a little. Because that butter, having that too much butter, it's like your cholesterol get all messed up. So I'm gonna cut back on that butter. I did get my hair retwisted, y'all. Know that it looked like a mess because I just took off my bonnet. Did get my nails redone. And my toes. All I got to do is get my lashes done, but child, I don't feel like it. I don't feel like it. Also, I went to the gun range, y'all. I went to the gun range, and man, oh man, shooting a gun was the scariest shit I ever did in my life. For real, for real. I'm in there just like, I didn't know really what to do. So my daughter, she has her FOI card, and mine is actually on its way. Let me move this out of the way because this look real nasty. My FOI card is on its way. So we went up there with my daughter's gun. I think she got a Glock. She got a Glock something. And so she loaded the bullets in for me. Oh, my corn done fell off the table. Now I got corn everywhere. But anyway, she loaded up the gun for me, y'all. And she said, when you're ready, just pull the trigger or whatever. Child, I supposed to pull that trigger and heard that loud sound. Oh, I was shaking in my boots. I'm going to put a clip. And y'all don't make fun of me, but I'm going to put a clip in this video so y'all can see it.
Come on, Mom, you got it. All right, y'all. This is her first time shooting a gun. Yep. Right, Mom?
Is it like this or like this?
You can put it under where you had it. Get a good feel of it. Make sure you're holding the gun really tight. Aim.
Yeah.
That was a headshot. She just got a headshot, her first one. That's 2 headshots. That was just 1 headshot. And she got a chest shot. All right, that's it.
I'm so scared. I was so nervous. And then there was people in there with these really big guns. And child, when they were shooting them guns, they were so dang on loud. I wanted to run the hell out of there. And I believe I did. He had like a shotgun or something, y'all. Oh my God, it made such a loud sound. And one thing I did not know is when I was shooting my daughter's gun, like the shells was like flying back. So yeah, it was my first time it was scary, y'all. It was scary. It was scary. I ain't even front. I don't even want the crab. I just want the corn. Because the corn is so good. But yeah, I'm going to enter that clip in so y'all can see your girl nervously shoot a gun. This corn is so good. It's so good. Okay. All right, y'all. I'm about to let y'all go. Because I got to go downstairs and get my clothes. But this corn is so fire. Maybe I should eat another. Maybe I should eat another leg or another piece. But I legit just wanted to get these out of the refrigerator. I mean, out of the freezer. That's why I just reheated them up. So get them out of the freezer. And I'm gonna be done with them today. Ow. It's like my feet, my leg is going numb from sitting weird. Anyway, like I said, I'm about to get ready and let you guys go. Thank y'all so much for hanging out with your girl on today. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so y'all can get all of my up-to-date and newest videos. With that being said, y'all, I will see y'all on the next video. Peace.